Adding additional languages. Additional languages can be added to the system to create language-specific templates, documents, or library section items. To add a new language, click the Languages submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter the additional language name, and click Save. Now when creating a new template or document, the additional language will be available for selection. To create a new section library language version, go to the section library, expand the tree, right-click the paragraph, and select the new additional language. Enter the section content, then click the Save as Final button to make the section available. As we created a document in the additional language, when we want to link a section from the library to our document, the system will filter out all other sections, and only show the sections that were created in the additional language. We can then drag the language version into our document. After the document has been created, the dashboard will show the different language documents in the document list.